If you're anything like me, your knees shake when you get on a ladder, even a chair. So I've made this little device, which is basically an adaptation of what's on the internet. It even takes out bayonet globes. That's a bayonet globe. It's got an Edison screw attachment. So it's taken out the bayonet globe despite there's an Edison screw attachment, and it puts it back in. As you can see, there it is, back in, nice and firm. And so what I've got, this little doohickey, is a little bit of a ingenuity. It's just a regular PVC pipe. I've used joiners so you can make it longer and you can have them easily for storage. I'll give you more detail when I've got two hands and I'll take this apart. These are my prototypes and these are my inventions based on items that I've seen already in the marketplace or on the internet, using materials that are commonly or easily found